How to sign in Perplexity app. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Perplexity app. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Perplexity application on your mobile device. Now you can sign in using your Google, email, and SSO. I will sign in using my email. Simply tap on Continue with Email, which is below the Continue with Google option. Now here, enter your email address. And after entering the email address, simply tap on Continue. Now, a login link will be sent to your email. So now go back and open your Gmail. And here, tap on the sign in link. Now you have successfully signed in to Perplexity AI. So this is how to sign in Perplexity AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.